Good day everyone. I am Mark Luis Bruto together with Celerio Lizal A and Fulijan Larry to present our final project entitled To-Do List app. So first, our application name is To-Do List and it is a mobile application. So first is our what have we seen a problem, opportunity or situation. After the pandemic, people are so busy doing their jobs to catch up on the virus effect on the lives of the people. Their time management disrupts due to facing difficult schedules and having a problem organizing their agendas within the day. This creates stressful days and will result in a bad working performance. So, after analyzing this problem, we come up with a specific purpose. So, the purpose of this project is to help people store information, create organized schedules with groups like friends, families, organization, classes, companies, etc. Take down notes and have a to-do list. These goals will provide the users with solutions to their problems regarding time management and they will perform better in their workplace. So after this is our objectives or deliverables. We have three objectives: store information, organize schedules, and to-do list. So first is store information. Your requirements gathering process. The requirements are considering the storage and the smartphones of the people that will be capable to run the application to store the user's information. Next, a formal implementation plan is we will hire programmers and developers to create an application that can hold information and it should be secured by the implemented privacy. Next is service definition work. The service of this application aims to fulfill the objectives of the said application. Next is handouts. Handoffs, recommendations to other teams. Design the user interface based on what the respondents will recommend and create an option to give the users freedom to choose. Next is accessibility incorporation. What is our plan for ensuring accessibility for users with disabilities? First is we will provide voice recognition. Next is text to speech, voice assistance, and gestures to assist them. We will incorporate accessibility into this project by the functions stated. This will help the users with disabilities. Next is analysis and incorporation of user interface standards. The project will follow the user interface standards and the ethics of a great interface application to please the users. So the next objectives or deliverables is organized schedules. Our requirements gathering process is that we are considering the capability of creating an organized timetable and smartphones of the people that will be enabled to run the application and to assist in creating schedules. And to the rest is the same with the first objectives or deliverables, which is the store information. And to the last and third objectives is to-do list. Our requirements gathering process is considering the ability of the application to store lists of the user and the smartphones of the people that will be capable to run the application to store the user sets of list. And the rest is the same as the second objectives or deliverables. Next is the method or approach. First is we will complete this project by creating an application that satisfies the need of the people. Our strategy for completing this project is to hire a programmer and graphic designer for this said product. Next is the tools we will use are our computers to create an app. We will provide computers for hard programmers and graphic designers. Next is, will this project change or impact a defined ITS service? No, because the app is not intended to change a defined ITS service. And the application will provide security like face unlock, password, pattern, and PIN to ensure the safety of the user's information. It is for the security of the users. And are there any implications for people with disabilities? How will you incorporate accessibility into this project? The implications for people with disabilities are voice recognition, text to speech, voice assistance, and gestures to assist them. We will incorporate accessibility into this project by the function stated. Next is the app will be an open source to give users the freedom to create a well-functioned to-do list app. And the next is we choose to extend existing services to avoid confusion among the users in the terms of the service provided. Lastly, the application is open for collaboration to cover all the dependencies or most of the dependencies and problems encountered. And the last is the application will follow the client design to encourage the user into creating their own organized schedule. So that's it for the part 1 documentation, and for the flow chart here is Lizelle Salario to discuss how or what is the flow of this application. Thank you.
The to-do list app flowchart starts with a login form where the user can log in if he already registered or sign up and fill out information otherwise. After successful login, the app will show the user interface with the display of the application's name, the home page, the friends icon that if the user clicks, it shows list of friends that are online or offline. The plus icon, if the user clicks, it will allow the user to create a to-do list with precise information like time, date, location, and description that will notify friends that are included in the event. And the menu icon where you can log out and exit the app. If the user clicks the exit button, it will display a question. Are you sure you want to leave? With yes or no buttons. If the user clicks yes, the app will terminate and the flowchart ends. Otherwise, the no button will keep the user stays in the app.
To-do list. This is the loading screen. This is where you can sign in to access your account or simply create yours. This is the home page. Click the drawer button to see your profile setting, private events, information, and logout button. You can also access friend function in the home screen by clicking this icon. The online will have been, otherwise it's dim. You can also add friends using this button. Clicking this button will allow you to create a new event. In this part, you need to input precise time, date, location, and description.